This year, $56 billion has been invested in robots that act like humans. None of these companies are showing any real profit yet. Let's start with the numbers. Since the beginning of 2026, the total investment flowing into humanoid robot companies has exceeded $56 billion, almost double last year. That's an incredible amount of money flowing into a single sector in a single year. Let's look at where this money went. At the top of the list is Figure AI. This California-based company raised over $1 billion in just one funding round, bringing its valuation to $39 billion. Its robot claims to be able to do household chores like washing clothes and dishes. Tesla is also in the race. The company is reorganizing its factories to produce its Optimus robot, aiming to reach 100,000 units by the end of 2026. In China, Unitree sold more than 5,500 robots last year and is now preparing for an IPO. There's movement in Europe too. UK-based Humanoid became Europe's first billion-dollar company focused solely on humanoid robots, with a valuation of $1.35 billion just 2 years after its founding. Robotics from Germany received investment from giants like Amazon and Nvidia, reaching a valuation of $7 billion. Now let's get to the crucial question. How much money are these companies making? The answer is disturbing: almost none. The vast majority of these companies haven't even started mass production yet. Some are still in the prototype stage. Investors are betting not on today's revenue, but on a future where these robots will be in every home and every factory in 10 years. There's a precedent, and it's both promising and cautionary. In the late 1990s, billions of dollars were invested in internet companies, many of which had no revenue yet. Giants like Amazon emerged from that period, while hundreds of companies disappeared completely. The difference was which company had a real product and a real demand. The same distinction is already being seen in the robotics sector. Some companies are receiving concrete orders. For example, Humanoid has received an order for 1,000 robots from industrial giant Schaeffler and a production capacity guarantee from Bosch. This is not just a promise of the future, but a deal signed today. On the other hand, there are still companies raising billions of dollars with just a concept video. Then there's the price side, and this could be the real game changer. The cost of robot production is rapidly falling, with some models now costing under $10,000. This means that robots are becoming a technology accessible not only to giant factories, but also to small businesses, if the promises hold. In short, the picture we have is this. One of the biggest technology bets in history is happening right before our eyes. $56 billion is being invested in a future that is yet to be proven. What will separate the winners and the losers is which company can take its creation from the lab and do a real job in the real world for a real customer. Stay asset.